everybody, it's the Pooh Show. My name is Eliana, and today my cousin Elijah's here for Taco Tuesday.
Hi guys, my name is Elijah and I'm 7 years old, and I'm good at drawing, playing basketball, playing Minecraft, playing Dragon Ball Z Universe 2, playing Need for Speed, and that's all I'm good at.
Awesome! Very, very awesome! I'm so special because I have my cousin Elijah over here today. So cousins are amazing. They're great. Like, they give you big hugs. Like, they miss you. Like, it's like a whole thing.
Well, it's good to be a cousin with Ellie. She's very nice and she's very kind. I'm just looking in my third eye right now.
What? So, today we have Fidget Spinners!
So we got some cool tricks with this Fidget Spinners. We can do it with the thumb. You can tip it over a little bit. And the other way, you can do it at in your forehead. Yeah. We do a little competition to see who's gonna which one stops first. If they stop first, they're gonna lose. When I say go, I mean go. Ready, steady, go! So we see who's gonna win and see who's gonna lose. I lost a lot of times.
Yeah, because I win all the time.
I don't know why.
Because mine is special, probably?
It doesn't mean that.
Whatever.
And I forgot to mention I'm really good at dabbing.
And I'm really cracking my hand.
Oh, look at his! Oh, look at mine! Oh! I might lose. Wait. Yeah, I lost.
I won!
You get these at Walgreens.
Walgreens and Target. Probably, I don't know.
It spins, it's really fun.
Because it's really fun and it has different colors. It spins really fast like you want it to, and
Like this.
Oh my gosh. Mine is can you see it's like a rainbow, right?
Ellie's is like a rainbow, but it's not a light up one though.
Yeah, it's just the colors on the flame.
Yeah, mine is just green and black, so it don't really have a lot of colors on it. Check this out at Walgreens or 7-Eleven if you want to.
Yeah, check them out. They're really cool. They're super good. If you got one and you don't know how to make your skills, like us, ask us. We're the teachers.
Yeah, ask us if you know where we are.
He gets the cool skills. That's what cousins are made for. Bye!
Bye!
Thank you for watching our videos. Oh, and please, thumbs up. Woo! No thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Make sure you give me 100.